Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the Parquet stitch. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Alright, this stitch is super easy. It is another one of those fans and double crochet type stitches. It is super easy and rhythmic to get into. I think this would be beautiful on heirloom blankets and similar projects. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into this tutorial. Alright, we are going to start off with a slip knot. And for this stitch, you want to chain in multiples of 3 plus 2, and then you're going to add an additional 1 at the end of the foundation row. So, let's see, I think I did 12 for that swatch, and it only gave me one row of fans, so I'm going to do a little more than that, maybe 15. And then I need to add my 2, so 16, 17, and then my 1, 18. Alright. So for row 1, what we're going to do is single crochet into the 6th chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to single crochet right in there. Alright, and now the repeat for this row, we are going to chain 2, 1, 2. We are going to skip 2 chains, and we are going to single crochet into the next. Alright, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet into the next. And it's going to curl up a little bit on you just because that's the nature of single crochet, so don't freak out about it. Alright, and we're going to chain 2, and I'm going to skip 2, and I'm at the end of my row, so I'm just going to single crochet into that very last stitch. Alright, and this is what row 1 looks like so far. Alright, now we're going to do row 2. Row 2, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn our work, we're going to double crochet into our first single crochet, so the base of this chain 3, as I call it sometimes. Yarn over, and we're going to double crochet there. Oops. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to skip the chain space here, where there are two chains rather, and we are going to double crochet 3 into our next available single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into that single crochet, and we're just going to make 3 of those, or a fan if you want to call it that. So 1, 2, and 3. Alright. And we are going to do that again, so we're going to skip this chain space, and we are going to double crochet into the next single crochet. Alright, we're going to do this again. Over and over until we get to that last single crochet. Oops. Alright, so we've worked into this last single crochet of our row, but we still have this little loopy here from that chain 6 of the previous row. So what we're going to do is we are going to count over 1, 2 of these. We're not going to work into those. We're going to work into the third one, and we are going to work 2 double crochets into that chain. Alright, and this is row 2. So for row 3, we are going to chain 1. And we're going to turn our work here. And then we're going to skip our first double crochet. So we're not going to work into this one that we just made. We are going to chain 2. 2. Alright, we're going to skip these next 2 double crochet, and we're going to work into the center of this fan that we made in the previous row, and we're going to work into that with a single crochet. Alright, so we're going to chain 2, we're going to skip these next 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and we're going to single crochet into the top of that next fan. And that is the repeat for this row. Chain 2, skip 2 double crochet, work into the center of that fan from the previous row. Chain 2, skip 2, and single crochet. All the way across your pattern until you reach the end, and you know you did it right when you do your last chain 2 and you're single crocheting into the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. Alright, and this is what the pattern looks like so far. So this pattern consists of a 2-row repeat. You'll be repeating rows 2 and row 3 over and over again until you achieve the length that you'd like. One thing that I kind of liked about my swatch that came out like this is that if I used a lace weight yarn, it would be perfect for handmade bookmarks. So if you're looking for something cool to stock in your shops, that would be a really great idea. Just to let you know. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know how I did. That lets me know that you like to continue to see my content. You can head over to the website where I regularly post crochet tips, tricks, tutorials, and patterns. You can also check me out on social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat and TikTok, so I have a little something out there for everybody. Follow me on Instagram. Let's try to get to 400. I think that would be fun to do by the end of the year. So, alright guys, until next time, happy making.